Hi, we are Lockie and Ash. We've been lucky enough to spend 10 months this past year travelling and exploring Norway. Here is our list of our top 10 places to visit in Norway.
Starting at number 10. Bergen is a city on Norway's southwest coast. It is the second largest city in Norway and in our eyes the best city to pay a visit. For a large city, it has the vibe of a small European town filled with charm and urban culture.
Number 9. Lofoten National Park. It offers a highly varied landscape with endless possibilities for outdoor activities. A highlight for anyone is BODØ. An easy hike for all, the views from this glacier lake are a photographer's dream.
Number 8. SOGNEFJORD. Nicknamed the King of Fjords, it is the largest and deepest fjord in Norway. The fjord arm RUNDE is the narrowest and best known in the area. Its rugged and untouched natural beauty will astonish you.
Number 7. BODØ is located back up in the Arctic Circle. For us, it's northern Norway's most livable city. It's a perfect mix of culture, city life and nature. Within 30 minutes of the city centre, you can be off hiking to remote beaches. Absolute paradise.
Number 6. EIKESDALSVATNET. Tucked about 1.5 hours drive from Molde, you will find this peaceful gem. Home to Northern Europe's highest waterfall, Lofoten. It is well worth the trip. Be blown away by its natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and even be tempted to take a dip.
Number 5. GEIRANGERFJORD is probably Norway's most famous fjord. It is often described as the crown jewel of Norwegian fjords. It's a fairy tale landscape of mountain tops that lead down into the deep blue fjord below.
Number 4. RUNDE. RUNDE is an island south of Ålesund. It is connected to the mainland via bridge crossings that pass through various other islands. RUNDE is famous for its enormous populations of birds. From April to August, it is a nesting ground for approximately 80 bird species, including the Atlantic puffin. A hike to the bird cliffs in the evening is a must.
Number 3. TROMSØ. It is well known for being one of the best places in the world to view the Northern Lights. If the weather is clear in TROMSØ from September to March, your chances for viewing this natural phenomenon are high. The city is our favourite winter location due to its options for winter activities. Head out for a visit to see the Sami people, the traditional reindeer herders, for a truly magical experience.
Number 2. OLDEDALEN. It is a river valley in the Stern municipality in the Vestland county. The south end of the valley reaches up to the Jostedalsbreen glacier, which is the largest glacier in continental Europe. The icy aqua-coloured waters will leave you absolutely gobsmacked.
Number 1. VÆRØY and the Lofoten Islands. VÆRØY is an island that belongs to the traditional district of Lofoten. This island is only reached by ferry from mainland in BODØ or via a ferry from Moskenes in Lofoten. This place is an absolute paradise for the hiking and nature lovers. It is a much less common destination than mainland Lofoten due to its remoteness. Its best kept secret is its home to the Atlantic puffin.
The Lofoten Islands. Located high above the Arctic Circle, it is well known for its dramatic scenery and raw nature. We were lucky enough to experience it in all its winter, spring and summer glory. It is the place to be if you are a hiking enthusiast, as it is home to some of the best and well-known hikes in Norway.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and are inspired for your trip to Norway. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.